Hi guys, a bit of welding to do today. Making up a bolt so I can use it as an Allen key in my bike. Fit inside the weld. I don't think I need to. There you go. That'll do. Right. Right, the idea guys was to weld a nut on the end of this to make it into an Allen key, because I haven't got a big enough Allen key to adjust that there. Let's get it focused for you, there you go. So that should now fit in there. Like that. And then I can tighten the bush. Which it's doing. Which is brilliant. I don't think I'm going to get that any tighter. See if it's done the trick. Just take the bike out of the bag. That's still loose. Damn it. There's too much play in that, I don't like that. This I've got tools to strip it apart. So that's what I might be doing now. Is tearing it down. Oh, look at that, that's how tight I've done that up. The Allen key actually twisted trying to undo it, so I certainly know it's tight enough. That little bolt there, let's move the camera. That fixing right there is being a right nuisance. It's still loose, yet I've done it up tight enough. I've done it up so tight, in fact, I can't get it undone now, which is just annoying. I don't know what else to try. Anyway guys, I'll keep trying. I will get it undone.